This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming capability. Check your phone settings to ensure eSIM support and that the device is unlocked. Next, sign into your carrier account or prepare to contact support. Have your ID and payment info handy. Once done, open the carrier app or website and locate the eSIM activation area. This is where you request the QR. Make sure you are on a stable network, so the carrier can verify your device and generate the QR code without interruption. You now request the QR by selecting Add eSIM or Add Plan in the carrier app or account portal. Enter the phone IMEI or EID exactly. These identify the eSIM slot and verify your device model. After that, pick the desired plan and confirm billing and any pro-rated charges. This triggers the carrier to generate the QR. Once the request completes, watch for an on-screen QR, an email, or an SMS containing the QR or activation code. Save that message before proceeding. You finish by opening Settings, tapping Cellular or Mobile Data, then add eSIM and scanning the carrier QR or entering the code manually. Follow on-screen prompts to name the plan and set default lines. Once installed, restart the phone and enable the new line. If activation fails, check the QR matches the carrier message. Confirm IMEI/EID and that you have internet access, then retry. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the activation reference and ask them to regenerate the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.